grabbed second gear.
What a freaking beast.
Oh, and a happy Christmas and a Merry New Year. Whoa. Let's rewind a bit first, because since you guys last saw the off-road AU Falcon, there have been a couple of changes. Firstly, I got the airbox completely removed and I got a piece of stainless steel in there. And with that, hopefully we can get some cool intake noises. Thanks for the idea, Ruan. And now for the exciting part. So for the past 2 weeks, I've been saying how we figured out, or maybe figured out, the gearbox, the automatic transmission, how to shift that. And it's finally time to go test it out. Once we figured out the solenoid wires, this actually turned out to be pretty freaking easy. So I have just a light switch over there. This is just temporary to test things out so that I know which switch to buy, because I want to test out if you have the car in first gear, do you need to disengage first gear to go to second gear, or can you leave first gear engaged and go to second, something like that. We'll just test everything out. Basically, I have shift solenoid 1 on the first switch, shift solenoid 2 on the second switch, and hopefully that's first gear, second gear, third gear, and then fourth gear. We won't know until we go out to test it, so let's do that. Does that thing where it kind of binds up when you start it, but oh well, it started up. So let's see if we have first gear. Ooh, that's drive. Just gonna brake boost it. Well, that's definitely first gear. Jeez, this thing is a boat. Never been able to do that, but let's go out and see if we can bang some gears with this switch. Definitely got some pep in her step. Woohoo! That's definitely first gear, it has to be. Definitely need to go get some gas, but okay, moment of truth. Let's see if it engages second gear. Oh my, okay, that's very good. First gear. Oh no. I think I might be out of gas. Shit. I'm really hoping it's just fuel, that I ran out of fuel, but phone someone, Ruan, thanks. So he's gonna give me a tow back home. As they say, he'll get that on those big jobs. Hey, those shifts though. Stupid, stupid. Help has arrived. Uh-huh. Ford stuff. Not off to a great start. Yeah, just the Ford doing Ford things. I guess we'll regroup back at home. Okay, so small wiring issue. I guess that road shook one of the little plugs loose, and yeah, got it fixed. So let's try this again. Take two. I have no idea which gear I'm in now. Let's see. It sounded like when just before the car died, it went from first gear to third gear. So let me figure this out. Let's see if we can make it to the gas station first. Back up in here. Andrew hasn't heard the car yet. Let's see what he thinks. Yeah, I think he's here. Kyk of hy sal spin vorentoe. Ek dink hy's in eerste. Op die bonnet, ek sien iets nat. This never ends. Now we have a coolant leak. Well, shit. I think these hoses are so old. They're just perishing. Let me see if I can fix this. So much check. Alright. Sien dalk later. Alright. Okay, so we ended up just bypassing the heater cord that goes into the car with the existing hoses, so that was pretty easy. But now let's go see if it can do a burnout. Brake. Does feel good having some gears. first to what I think is third. Let's see. I think I got this down now. Oh yeah, banging gears. Downshift. First. Happy days, happy days. I think that's enough testing for today. Let's head on back home before we break something else.
Now I would call that a very successful test drive, and what a way to end off the year. Let's see if we can do the same thing next year, but with this baby. But like always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.